Well, so this is lecture 2 of physics research methodology as given by Professor Dr. Soumitra Banerjee sir um, in NTPEL, and this is a kind of a summary video. This is the lecture 2 where this talks about what is science. So science is actually the truth of nature, and a truth is a kind of a statement which accurately represents the true character of something in the objective reality. And sometimes it is also obtained through experiment. And what is a statement? A statement is something which may be true or false, and if the statement accurately represents the objective reality, then it is called known as truth. So next, science is actually a collective approach to know the truth. This is a approach made by numerous scientists, and we are all trying to know the truth. And but we actually don't know how much of it is known. And this science is a kind of a organized skepticism. I mean, it includes organized skepticism for every single truth so that the real truth can be known. And truth has three different properties. First of all, it is relative to the condition in which it has been obtained. And so, for example, Einstein's theory of gravity and Newton's theory of gravity, they are valid in different conditions. So for both are truth, but in different conditions and in different contexts. And the truth is actually concrete in that condition. That is, in that condition in which it is valid, it is valid. It will remain valid. There is a concrete truth, and a truth is unique. That is, for every question asked, there is only one correct answer. And in science, there is nothing like absolute truth. We are on the process of knowing truth, but we can never achieve the real truth, because there will be something that we need to know more and more. So nothing can be called as the absolute truth, but we can have theories which are proven for a long time. So that is it.